coming from the land. Come here. Alright, y'all, welcome back to another video. So today we are playing something called Voxel Playground. Now this is on the quest on the meta store. And if y'all want to get that, it's yours.
Boy, if you don't get...
I'm trying to say, this actually looks mad good for a quest game. Damn. Whoa. Oh shit. I'm driving it. I'm driving it. Oh, this is cool. So we got a whole map right here. We got cranes. We got whatever this. I can climb. Ooh, hey, we up on the day. Can I pick up the brake? Can I pick up the brake? Pick up the brake. What the fuck? What the fuck? We got a buddy old pal right there. Hold on, let me just hop down. What's cracking, Bob? So we working on here. Loki, I didn't even know who said you can run, but you ain't running from me, Ricky. Now tell me what we working on. Alright, so you gonna tell me what we working on? Or I'm gonna make sure to rip your esophagus out and shove it up your ass. Can I punch? Shocking. Let's go. Come here. We're going. Iron Man. Oh shit, I'm Iron Man. Alright. Now, what we gonna do, guys? I know it's the middle of the night. Hold up, let me change it up because I don't know why. Alright, so what we gonna do, y'all, is that we're gonna keep finishing touches on the building. I don't know who that is up there, but make sure to let them know when y'all get up there what I'm about to say. So basically, what we're planning to make is we're planning to make a building where like anybody can get free like meat. I don't know what you mean by that, bro. Okay. This is the final test. Oh, I broke it. Oh, nah. Damn, I didn't even know that was gonna happen. A nuke. I'm scared. You just cut the tip off. Alright, forget about that, but we in a bigger map because we're like a Titan. We're like Titan size, I'm not gonna lie. I can pick it up. I can pick it up. Oh, that's fun. What the fuck? Oh. Alright, y'all, this is Johnny right here. We're gonna see what this does to Johnny. Hopefully it doesn't hurt him. Okay. Damn, turned his ass into Gojo. What's up? Oh, you're on fire. Hey, yo, bro, you're on fire. That did not help. Damn! What the fuck is wrong with you? got zombie. What the fuck? Yo, Red Hawk, get your little ass up. I got pull up. What's up? Oh. What's up there? Come on, what's up there? I don't fuck. Sorry, beat me. Give me your head. Right here. We're gonna see what happens when we hit them with the car. Is it gonna be physics based? And if I hit them with the car, it's gonna explode? Because I can barely see, but it's alright. Damn, get over it. Y'all alright?
Nope.
Damn. This dude. Pick up this dude. Slam him. You be alright, bro. Zombie, this is the giant one. Ooh. Damn! I didn't know you could just shoot them like that. What's it? What the fuck? Give me that. Just shot. Craziness, battery ass man. Lightsabers for angels. Oh, what you want to do about it now? Make me like, why are you calling with your elbows? Flick on, man. You're suffering. What a wild beast. This is going on my wall for sure. Now listen up, soldiers. Alright? There's a terrorist beyond the buildings. What the fuck is wrong with you? Stand still. Oh shit, I'm not being sponsored. Blick him, blick him. Blick them. Over here. Fight me. Foolish beast with no face. Aiming from the land. Come here. Oh! I ain't done. I ain't done. Alright, bro. Be in my imagination, I swear. We're going back to the construct for one reason. I want to see. Oh, you can't. Dude, I thought this was like. Oh, nah, this is cool. Wait, nah, this is actually cool. Oh, shit. shit. Hold on. I don't know how to work it. Yo, you might want to watch it. Yo, I'm trying to say you might want to watch out, bro. I just lost the fucking bracket ball for this shit. Damn. Oh. Man, I don't even mean to do that for real. I'm killing everybody. Assassin's Creed style. No one's escaping this. I'm sorry, Bob. You better die. I know. It's a beautiful. Too bad. It's gonna be your last view.
Hey, wait. What you mean by that, bro? Chill out, bro. We can talk about this, bro. I see that in your head, bro. We can talk.
If y'all fuck with that video, make sure y'all comment down below. If y'all want to see me play with Carl, Trey, /Chuck, or mcmacc, make sure y'all comment down below. Guess what? See y'all in the next video.